Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (Mpcc) met the governor of Manipur and submitted a memorandum expressing grave concern over the condition of internally displaced persons (IDPs) affected by the ongoing ethnic conflict in the state, which has persisted for more than 2 years. Mpcc President Kaisham Meghachandra, who visited several relief camps and prefabricated housing construction sites in Bishnupur district, alleged serious financial irregularities in the implementation of housing projects for the displaced persons. He claimed that the construction at Phubala and Saiton was being carried out without any public tender, raising concerns of corruption and misuse of public funds. He further claimed that fake payments had been made for items never delivered to relief camps and that the situation reflects a lack of transparency and accountability in the relief efforts. Meghachandra urged the state and central governments to set a clear and fixed timeline for return of all IDPs to their original homes and districts. He called for direct financial transfers to IDPs' individual bank accounts, bypassing middlemen or intermediaries to ensure fair and transparent distribution of aid. The Congress leader demanded thorough and independent investigation into the alleged misuse of funds meant for prefabricated housing and relief camp management, including all disbursements since May 3, 2023. Meghachandra stated that he remains in constant touch with displaced persons across the state and is raising the concerns on their behalf. He appealed to the governor to take immediate action in the larger interest of Manipur and to uphold the rule of law, expressing hope that the intervention would help in restoring peace and normalcy in the conflict-torn state.
Prefabricated house da hanjanbagi mayum hanjanbagi direct idea aduna mayum da directly original home da hanjanna ba du gine koina kanna masigi road map ama pv on hairisi or hojiki popular government ama laina bagi haibasi masigi bjp na lepkadabani maramdi makoida masing honorable managing akoigi majority like president rule ki matung da su development si ude aduji thataru mapung pharakadore aduga hana sarkar popular government lerige su irang si sahi ani hena losinba akoi namgidre maram aduna praja singna bjp da hazaba thamge pamiba voice of the people se masi hogi lai irang siga mari leinana masi sarkar na thabak oin on pokpa ngamdabanina ngamdrabanina sarkar lai rubagi amasung MLA oina lai rubagi kari darkar lai Marabasina, I masi anauwa asama anauwa biyamgi election nama tawakanda fresh election tawuna hena pagani haina minor Congress party ki dihana su